How to fix Instagram DM glitch. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that your application is up to date. So head over to your Play Store and then in the search bar search for Instagram. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date. So it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into apps. Head over to the application Instagram. Move into storage and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. But if you are still facing this issue, all you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. It will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. So this is it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Instagram